Hey guys, it's Ben with Joe's Gaming and Electronics here with another repair. Today we'll be replacing a motor pod on this 3DR Solo. So let's get started. First off, you're going to want to make sure that the drone is powered off and also make sure that you have the correct motor pod, because silver tops and black tops, they spin in opposite directions. Alright, let's go ahead and replace this motor pod. I'm going to be changing out this one, so let's go to the bottom side and we'll want to go with the pry tool. And go to this spot right here, you're going to want to pry off this plastic cover. That's going to reveal these 4 screws. So we'll start with these 3 outside screws. Take these guys off. Now that we have these 3 off, we'll want to take off this one as well, but we might not have enough room with this screwdriver and this leg in the way, so we could go ahead and take the leg off to get a little more leverage. So to do that, we're just going to take off these 2 screws. Right, now that we have the leg out of the way, we can get this last screw out. Alright, now we'll go back to the top side. And this motor just fell out on its own, but usually it'll be sitting in there pretty snug. So what you'll want to do is just start prying up by this motor pod. Get it to come out just like that. Pull it out a little further and then just slide it straight out. Right, next you're going to want to take these red and black wires off, and then on the bottom just want to wiggle this connector until it comes out. Alright, awesome. Now we're going to take our replacement and put these wires back on just like that. And for the ribbon, or sorry, the connector, you're going to want to line it up and just press it in place. Right, now you'll want to start with these wires and just push them back into the main body. And then get this motor piece to be flush with the rest of the housing. Press that in. And then press the bottom in, just like that. And now we're almost done. We just need to put the screws back together. And now for the plastic cover, we're going to want to put the outside pieces in first, just like that. And then this will just clip right in. And there you have it. That's how you replace a motor pod on a Solo 3DR. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions regarding this repair, please leave a comment below. If you need any parts listed in the video, we do sell them on our website at www.joesge.com. Thanks again and have a fantastic day.